What's up everybody, Goat Toaster 9, JJ Shankles here, back with a review today. Today we've got a very special box that just came in. We've got the mystery box from Drop.com, formerly known as Mass Drop. They rebranded, now it's just Drop.com. So we're going to open this up. This is a $100 mystery box, and they put a variety of items in there from various categories online. This mystery box specifically, I think they did a really good job showing you all of the items that can be in there. They have 3 different tiers of item rareness, and they give you a guarantee of which levels will be in there. And you can purchase, this is just a, I think, bronze level. You could buy a silver or gold tier box that will guarantee you certain levels of rare or epic. This is the mystery box. We're gonna open it up and see, was it a deal? Was it worth that? Let's see what kind of things we get. First things first. Open it up. Congratulations on your bounty box. At Drop, we want to help you get closer to the things you love. For the past 7 years, our amazing community of passionate people has helped us discover and create products that are thoughtfully designed, well-made, and a pleasure to use. The items in this bounty box were carefully curated by our team from a long list of consistent community favorites. A quick browse through the comments on our product pages will reveal scores of people who were surprised to discover that a seemingly basic item became such a staple in their lives. We hope you enjoy exploring this box and finding some essentials to enjoy. So let's get into it. I do want to make a quick comment that this was something I purchased myself. This is not a sponsored video. Drop did not send this to me. I bought it myself, and I wanted to review it, see what kind of excitement comes from opening up a box that could be worth under $100, could be worth well more than $100. You don't really know when you order it, and that's just the excitement of it. This has got a beautiful Drop sticker on there. Cut that open. Peel it back. There's this pretty little covering. Let's get to the first item. The first item in here is a Bestech knives. Let's get this open. Oh, so it's got a black wood finish to it. See how this knife comes open. Ooh, that's a pretty little, nice angle on it. Really like that. It'll be good for unboxing the things later in this box to have a knife to open those with. Let's get to item number 2. Item number 2 is a Mi Audio Bluetooth 6X stereo Bluetooth wireless sports in-ear headphones. Never lose focus, sports edition. Alright, so some sports wireless around the back headphones. This knife, test it out. Very sharp. Cut right through that plastic. So it's a micro USB charging, all the different little earbud sizes to go in there. Different sports headphone. So these look really good, how they fit on there and all. So I'll run a tally, probably over to the side, somewhere around here. I'll run a tally of the price of these items to see, will it be worth this box in price of the total of the items inside? So I'll tally that one up. Next, rummaging around this box. It's kind of fun. They really do the presentation of the fun of hiding it in here really makes it enjoyable. See down here. Oh, a wallet probably. I don't really like Threefold wallets though. Threefold wallets are just inherently larger than something that doesn't fold, a single solid piece. Put your ID in the middle, cards, place for cash in the middle. Basic. It's real leather, really smells like leather. Black, it's a wallet. Let's see what else is in here. Alright, we got a ChargeHubGo Plus wireless power bank plus charging cables. So it's a 500 milliamp hour power bank with wireless charging on top and 2 built-in charging cables. Pull out the knife again. So it's a wireless charging power bank. Open it up. It's got a USB-C cable on that side. The other side has a, looks like it's a part lightning cable, part micro USB. So that's an interesting new cable I'd never seen. I don't know if that's 3 different inputs. If you can input USB-C, USB-A, and a micro USB, but with wireless charging on the top. My Pixel 2 can't charge wirelessly, but it's always good to have another wireless battery. Throw it in a different bag. I have several bags I can throw it in, so that's a good thing. And that might be all. Let's check on the bottom. There's a packing slip, headphones, wallet, power bank, and a knife. I'll run the total over on the side and we'll see if it's worth it or not. Overall, just looking at the items, I would not call this worth $100. I got a knife, which it's a good knife. I don't know how good of a knife it is. Seems rather good. It's like the blade is nice and oiled, the handle feels really good, that angle on it just looks really nice. I'm really excited for this blade. And the headphones, I'll check those out, see how good those do for running or other sports working out type activities. And then a wireless power bank is always good. 500 milliamp hours is pretty big, not the largest of things. An Anchor brand on Amazon, you could probably get it for another 20 bucks or so. I think the wallet's a total waste. I don't need it. It'll sit on a shelf and I'll give it to a friend if they need it or something like that. But that's the Mass Drop mystery box. I think the mystery is a huge part of it. It's exciting to see what's in there, and that they were all 4 really good items that if I needed those 4 items, that'd be super great. And all the items that Mass Drops was putting on there was all quality items. They didn't put any trash items on there. And you get to look through the entire list to know any of the options you can get before you even submit for the box. But that's all from me today. I think I'll go through and make real reviews of some of these items. The knife, I'll let you guys know an update later of how I like it. The headphones, I'm gonna charge them, to go out, take some runs with them, really see how I like working out with them. Maybe I'll drop a review on this channel later on. So you don't miss that review, make sure you like and subscribe down below. And if you did not like this video, hit the thumbs down button. Let me know in the comments what you want me to do differently. Anything more you want me to cover in details, let me know in the comments down below and I will get back to your questions. Hope you guys have an amazing day. Go Toaster out. Oh, but one more thing. See that 3D printer back there? Maybe you've noticed it. I just bought a 3D printer. This is the JG Maker Magic 3D printer by JG Aurora. So I've been 3D printing and learning 3D printing, so I'm going to be doing a review on that one pretty soon coming up. Make sure you guys subscribe down below. You won't miss any of those videos as they come out. Thank you guys. Hope you have a great day. Go Toaster out.